guys, welcome to our channel.
Good morning.
Good morning. Yeah. So today we are headed to Sakleshpur. Actually, we'll be going to Rosetta by Ferns. And yeah, we left early in the morning at around 7. And expected time of arrival is around 11:30 to 12. हम बीच में रुकेंगे कहीं breakfast के लिए, तो एक बार वो भी दिखाएंगे. And the plan is just to go there, relax, है ना, unwind करेंगे.
And today it's this guy's birthday. So Mayur, how do you feel?
Yeah, how do I feel? I feel that I have gained a lot of experience. वो हिंदी में बोलते हैं ना, commentators की तजुर्बा. इस बल्लेबाज को तजुर्बा, तो इस बल्लेबाज को बहुत तजुर्बा हो चुका है.
Oh, it's like aging like fine.
Yeah, but यही है, चलती ही जा रही है. What do you? There is one song.
जिंदगानी.
हाँ, चलना ही जिंदगी है, चलती ही जा रही है. बस इसमें थोड़ा जिंग करेंगे, ढिंचाक करेंगे. We'll chill.
ठीक है, तो as now you can understand this is the reason. Actually, it has been not actually some time. Mayur just got back from Badrinath.
Yes,
but
it was a good trip.
yeah, so now we decided because it's his day, we should probably head out, and luckily it's on a weekend, so we are just going out to Sakleshpur. We'll just chill in the resort, spend some time there, and yeah, hopefully it'll be a good break. So
Yes.
see you guys. Hey guys, we have stopped at Coffee and Tiffin. It's around 9:10 in the morning, and abhi 2.5 hours और दिखा रहा है. So we should be comfortably reaching Sakleshpur by what? 11:30 is the aim, so thoda 11:45 तक. We have ordered some.
We have ordered rava masala dosa. Yes.
And 2 coffees. So like it says Coffee and Tiffin. So we enjoy करके now we are going to leave.
Reached Rosetta by Ferns. It took us almost 4.5 hours. The best part is कि काफी पास है from Bangalore. So actually the thing is we are reaching a bit early. So we took a stop in between as well. But now we are here, as you can see. So we'll check into the room and then we'll give you a room tour as well. So I think this is the reception area.
Yep. So this is how the reception looks like. There is some gift shop there, and yeah. So we'll see you once we get to the room.
So the check-in is taking some time. So what we decided is that just we'll roam around the property. So the thing is, this property is around 116 rooms or 120 rooms, and this is spread
100 acres.
Spread across 100 acres. So we are just roaming around. I think we have reached the chapel within the property. तो आपको दिखाते हैं क्या है chapel के अंदर.
Chapel of Saint Rosetta.
Oh, we did not know this.
Wow. For where 2 or 3 are gathered in my name, there I am in the midst of them.
So it's 1 o'clock and we got the room key. Now we'll be heading to your room and we'll be showing you the room.
Yeah, but after the welcome drink.
Yeah.
And it's super hot. So yeah, I think it's coming there. That's our welcome drink on its way. So let's take it. Thank you. What is that?
Herbal tea.
Oh, it's tea. It's hot, huh? Okay, thank you.
So the buggy is here and off we go.
Don't go there. Welcome to my room in Rosetta by Ferns, and I'm going to give you a quick room tour. This is Cardamom Studio. As soon as you enter, you see a lot of closet space. Probably you could easily handle, I don't know, a week or a month of your clothing. A plus point is ironing board, which I personally really appreciate because I am a bit, about the ironing bit. Anyway, a cute stone sink, and maintained washroom, ample sized, and this is the best part. The open bath. Taking a bath amongst the nature. Let's save some water. So, come. We'll take you into the room now. A decent sized room, I would say. They have a small corner here. I don't know, it does not look like a dressing studio exactly, but yeah, good enough thing. And then here's the area where you can actually work from here if you want to, because I think they were advertising work from this place, Rosetta. So yeah, a comfy bed, I'm pretty sure. Oh, yeah. Okay, and this is a part which, again, like I said, because it's being marketed as a place where you can work from here for a week or so. This is a tiny kitchenette with your fridge, microwave, and small things that would help your stay easier if you're planning to stay for a longer time. And here is where I'm planning to stay in the evening and soak in some views. Have a look, guys. Mayur just show it to you. Here we are for lunch at Intro, and I think Merchants of Spice is on the first floor. So yeah, let's go check it out. What's for lunch? Hi. Is this Intro?
Yes.
And Merchant of Spice
Upstairs.
Oh. And so this is on the coffee menu.
So this is the vegetarian part, I see.
Yep.
And they have desserts and some drinks over
Desserts are
there.
there.
We'll just show you.
Oh my god, this is all I'm going to have. I'm going to have each of these desserts. Yeah.
So now
We're gonna have our lunch. You forgot the main course. So there you go. Menu seems quite vast, which is great. Some bread and soup. I think this is the Indian bread. You'll find the vegetables and dal and stuff. I don't know, name some kulusu, stuff like that.
Elaborate menu, I would say.
So now we'll go and stuff ourselves with some food.
So here we go. Ale, ale, ale.
Okay, we are here with the lunch. The buffet is quite extensive, as you saw. So we are just tasting out everything. So this is a lot of snacks from the Indian side. These are like some Mediterranean dishes along with some greens that I've put here. This is some cheese, gouda and brie that we are going to try with crackers, some prunes and things like that. And this is Vietnamese rice along with the curry and some papadam, I think methi papadam or something. Yeah. Cheers to us. And what time is it?
Dessert time. सबका सब खा जाऊंगा, everything. और इसके बाद भी अगर पेट में जगह तो जाके आइसक्रीम भी खाऊंगा. Yes. So after having lunch, we took a power nap and then headed to the pool.
Happy birthday, Mayur!
Thank you. So it's evening and the lights are on. Actually, we took a dip in the swimming pool in the meanwhile, and now we don't have anything planned. Just like I told you, resting and relaxing. And the property is really beautiful at this time in the evening, right? As you can see, there's so many lights.
And here it as well. What is this though?
Yeah, I think these are the insects or the...
Yeah, the insects, correct. Who are making these sounds.
That way, yeah, we'll have dinner in some time. That is the plan, and we'll just explore the property. So it's quite beautiful.
Which we are also going to do tomorrow morning.
Yeah, definitely. And if you come, you can actually have some time, you know, to yourself, aram to enjoy everything. What do you have to say, Aditi?
Yep, I truly agree. I mean, we were just taking a walk, you know, around the whole property. It's very serene, very peaceful. Even though there are around 120 plus rooms, I think there's appropriate space for everyone. You can find some quiet corners, you can sit on benches, watch the sunset and things like that, which we did. We also took a dip in the pool like Mayu told you. So all in all, we are enjoying ourselves.
So we are just roaming around in the property. The thing is, actually they have 3 restaurants. So one of them is pure vegetarian, Amish. So we came there. And uske paas hi you have these tents in this property. So if you want, they are kind of luxury tents and you can stay here. And they are overlooking this lake, beautiful lake over here.
Yep, and that's the swimming pool where we were in the evening. And there are a couple of lakes there. And then are these tents that you were just talking about. Yeah, please continue.
Yeah, so you can actually come here to stay in the tents if you want.
If you fancy, true.
Yeah.
So they are on a raised platform. Probably, I don't know how the interiors look like. Would give you a feel of it or no. No clue, so we don't recommend, we don't say that don't come. You can try it.
You can check yourself, you can explore yourself. So we just came back into the room and look at this.
A 3-tier cake for you, babe. We were caught off guard. Thank you so much, Rosetta and the housekeeping team. They are really sweet.
Just amazing, yeah. Thankful to them.
Yeah, they left us a note. They're wishing you happy birthday.
Thank you, everyone. Yeah.
And now Mayur is ready to cut the cake. Not this 3-tiered one, but something edible. And yay! It's your birthday. Come on, Charlie. It's your birthday. Ta -ta -ta. Happy birthday to you.
Thank you.
Hey guys, now the question is, where do we go for dinner? Because there are 3 restaurants, as Mayu has been telling you. The first one is Amish, which is the farm to fork concept, and it's pure vegetarian, but the choices were very limited. We did check out the place. The second one is Merchant of Spice, which is on the 1st floor near the lobby. It has 5-course set menu, 1800 plus tax, but it's only Indian. And the third one was Tetro, which is like below the Merchant of Spice, where we came for lunch as well, and it offers both the options, a la carte and the buffet. Buffet is again the same price as Merchant of Spice, 1800 plus the taxes. We opted for a la carte because our appetites are not that big, so we'll just order whatever we want to. So in case you are wondering, the prices are 1800 plus taxes for the buffet in both of the places, and a la carte as the menu goes. We have opted for some Asian cuisine today because of the birthday boy's choices. So yeah, let's see how it goes. Oh! How has your birthday been? I mean, do you like this resort? I know it's not located on a mountain top, nor is it beside a sea. So how do you like it?
Yeah, it is quite good. Actually, you have all the facilities available here. If you want to play and all, just like any other resort, you will have those facilities. Then you have a good pool, as in it is an infinity pool kind of thing. And the rooms are quite cozy, comfortable, and this property itself is quite big, as I told you, right? Around 120 acres or something. So that way, yeah, I kind of had a good time here, and even if you come, you will have a good time. You know, I would recommend you guys coming here. Good morning, Aditi.
Oh, good morning everyone. It's the next morning and now we are heading for breakfast. because we are super hungry as usual. Last night's sleep was good. What about you, Mayur?
Yeah, I slept tight.
That's nice. And we have woken up fresh. I think चिड़िया की आवाज़ आपको आ रही होगी. अभी तो नहीं आ रही है.
No, actually you can hear the bird chirping. I don't know whether it is captured in this. Yeah.
And this is a restaurant nestled amongst this coffee plantation.
As you can see.
Yeah. And we are headed there. We'll show you what the buffet spread is about. But right now, let's get going. I'm so hungry.
After having breakfast to our heart's content, we strolled within the property and then finally left for Bangalore.
And we are back to
Bangalore. भाग दौड़ भरी जिंदगी जहाँ थकना बिल्कुल मना है.
But still we are always tired.
Yeah.
And this is my favorite travel partner. मेरे neck को एकदम safe लगता है.
मुझे लगा मुझे.
So yeah, overall we were staying in Rosetta by Ferns, like you would know. It's a very nice property, very relaxing. We chilled out. It was a very laid back vacation, a tiny weekend getaway, not even a vacation that you can call it. So thumbs up from our end. We are really, what should you say, charged up.
Yes, for the next week. And if you really like the content, then please like, share, subscribe.
Oh, also comment and let us know if you feel that there's some place that we can go near Bangalore, say just for the weekend like we did this time, जहाँ पे हम जा सकते हैं. Any recommendation, because we'll be more than happy to just check it out.